Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently 49 degrees, partly sunny here in the valley on this Sunday afternoon. Most of the fog finally burned off. It looks like a pleasant day. Today, I'm going to taste test Jimmy John's. I'm trying their barbecue ranch chicken crunch sandwich. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. I just had this delivered about 5 minutes ago. This particular sandwich comes with chicken, cheddar cheese, seasoned tortilla chips, barbecue ranch, lettuce, tomato, and mayo. And it also gives the customers an option to order extras as well on the site. Normally this cost $11.49, but I received it for free today because I redeemed a gift card that I had received. Oh, thank you. Really appreciate it. Thank you for your support. Yeah, keep sending me gift cards and I'll keep buying things with them. Full disclosure, Jimmy John's is not a sponsor of this video. Oh, good deal. Woo. And from the time I ordered the food to the time that the sandwich arrived was 13 minutes. So not bad, considering it's a weekend. And this sandwich I ordered is the 8-inch. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, it smells like chicken. Cheers, everybody. Clank. The crunchiness from the tortilla strips meshes well with the soft and chewiness of the chicken and the bread. Very flavorful chicken. It's fresh. To me, the tomato is also very juicy. Lettuce tastes fresh, crisp. I am a little disappointed, though, that the cheddar cheese is just slabbed on there. It's not melted or sliced up. It's just this blob of cold cheddar cheese. I was really hoping that this would have been toasted, or at least melted, the cheese. But I say it's a nice combination. Ooh, ooh. Chicken. The chicken is very juicy, tender. It's not spicy. At least to me, it's not. The ranch, really tangy, zesty. It pairs well with the chicken and a hint of barbecue sauce coming through as well. The chicken is the real star of the show here. And I feel like the other vegetables and other ingredients are the side piece. Smells fresh, smells like chicken. I'm very tasty. I am impressed. Good flavor. The only downside for me personally is with the cheese. But I'll know that for next time if I order this again and customize my order. But I like how it tastes. And I love Jimmy John's in general. They're just right up the street from me, about 2 blocks away. Impressive. It's good chicken. And the chicken itself is not greasy. It's not dripping all over. Just the right amount of sauce and a little hint of pepper, I think, in there. Oregano, maybe. Mm, spot on. From my understanding, this is a fairly new release in their stores. I'm not sure how long, if this is a limited edition or if this is a permanent addition to their menu. But I like it. Yeah, it looks appealing, appetizing as well. Mm, have a wonderful day. Yeah. Oh, mm. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Jimmy John's Barbecue Ranch Chicken Crunch sandwich a solid 8.23. Mm. And I think it's a great value for the quantity and the price. That's a good redeeming quality. And especially the chicken, good portion size, I'd say. And the tomatoes, oh yeah, look at that. Woohoo! Ugh. Mm. Barbecue ranch. Mm. Oh, smooth, great texture, flavor. Just the right amount of mayonnaise. It's not overpowering the chicken. It actually complements as well. Here's one of the tortilla strips. Very crunchy. Mm, toasted corn. Nice. Mm. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels. Woo. Mm, wow. But just a heads up, this is the chicken's cold and the cheese is cold. But that's okay. Overall, it works in this application. Be good to take on a picnic. Have it on a lunch in the office. Hide it from your coworkers. Put your name on it so they don't need it. Mm. Ooh, ta-da. Mhm. I'll see you next time.